Hey guys, I'm Greg with Quantum Machinery Group, and today we're going to be looking at our NARGESA BM25. This is our 10-ton hydraulic vertical broaching machine. Today we're going to do some broaching on it. We're going to go over all of its features and help you decide if this is the right one for you. The BM25 is a hydraulic vertical broaching machine. It comes in 220 volt single and three-phase, as well as 480 volt three-phase options. A welded and mechanized steel monoblock build and powder-coated body makes the BM25 a piece of equipment that will stand the test of time. It's great for notches and keyways and sprockets, pulleys, as well as gears. The BM25 is simple to use, versatile, reliable, and fast to set up. The machine is easily moved with a simple pallet jack. Can also be used as a press, which expands its uses in a shop environment. The BM25 is made in Spain, but is stocked right here in the United States. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. You can find the BM25 located in the video's description, as well as links to weldingtablesandfixtures.com and quantummachinerygroup.com. So make sure to follow us on social media, where you'll see new products as well as customer builds. We ask you to stay safe and keep on fabricating.